Welcome to Reliable Re-Roofing. With our company, you get quality service at an affordable price. Now let's talk about roofing. You're trusting us to be around from years from now if future service is needed. And we will, and here's why. Re-roofing your property can be a large undertaking. Charles D. Trost, the owner of Reliable Re-Roofing, has a long family history that started back in 1910 with the Trost family-owned construction business. Now, 100 years later, the Trost name is still strongly involved in the construction industry. Now, Charles Doug Trost, the owner of Reliable Re-Roofing, has done thousands of roofs since 1985. And since the late 1990s, our focus has been on energy efficiency, durable membrane roofing systems, but also meets our clients' needs and budgets. Now, if you live in the Fort Worth, Texas area, make sure you have Reliable Re-Roofing on your estimate list. We'll see you soon.